Hello and welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today we're going to review the Fractal Design North case. This computer case has been designed to accommodate high-performance components and provide optimal airflow, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to build a gaming PC or workstation. The Fractal Design North case has a sleek and minimalistic design, with a brushed aluminum front panel that gives it a premium look and feel. The case comes in two different sizes, mid-tower and full tower, and both are available in black or white. The front panel is removable, allowing for easy access to the case's front fans and radiator mounts. The Fractal Design North case is built like a tank. It features a sturdy steel frame and tempered glass side panels that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The case is also equipped with high-quality fans that provide excellent airflow and help keep your components cool during intense gaming or heavy workloads. The Fractal Design North case comes with several features that make building a PC easier and more enjoyable. The case has a removable top panel that allows for easy access to the radiator and fan mounts, as well as cable management grommets that make it easy to route and organize cables. The case also features a power supply shroud that hides your PSU and cables, giving your build a cleaner and more professional look. Airflow is a critical factor in maintaining your PC's performance and longevity, and the Fractal Design North case has been designed with that in mind. The case comes with 3 pre-installed fans that provide excellent airflow and can be easily replaced or upgraded. The case also features ample room for radiators, allowing for easy installation of liquid cooling solutions. The Fractal Design North case is compatible with a wide range of components, making it an excellent choice for anyone building a high-performance PC. The case supports motherboards up to EATX size, as well as graphics cards up to 440mm in length. The case also has room for up to 14 storage drives, giving you plenty of space for all your files and games. So, there you have it, the Fractal Design North case. This computer case offers an excellent combination of design, build quality, features, and airflow. It is a great choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance PC that looks great and runs cool. The case is available in 2 sizes and 4 colors, giving you plenty of options to choose from. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and news.